Hey, what's up guys? Here's another unboxing video. This is a battery for the Honda Ruckus. It's an upgraded, I think, lithium battery from Amazon. Supposedly fits in the Ruckus battery box pretty good. I think it's a little bit smaller. That's the name I can't even pronounce. Shorai. I don't know what that is. Advanced lithium ion technology, 3-year warranty, or prorated warranty, which means I guess they charge you more or a little bit cheaper for a new one. Those are the sizes: 3.39 by 5.83 inches and 3.46. I had good reviews for it. A guy on Total Ruckus said he runs one. Says he likes it. Here's the specs on it. It's 210 cold cranking amps. Weight 0.901 kilograms, so 1.98 pounds. So check it out. Comes with some foam. I guess you use this to help, in the battery box because it's so much smaller. Those are a pretty cool sticker. Quite a few stickers. So they come with. Bigger one, smaller one, a couple of little ones. Sweet. It's like warranty stuff. And that's how you use the foam. Oh, there's even more foam in there. Yeah. This is it. This thing's tiny. So it comes with some bolts. Is that where you... I think that's where you charge it. Or something, I don't know. 12-volt, 14-aught, 210 cold cranking amps. Alright guys, I'm gonna take it over to the shop, put it in the Ruckus. That way you can see how it fits. And I'll check the link on Amazon link. It was a pretty good deal. It was like $100 with free Prime shipping, 2-day shipping. So check it out. Subscribe and check out my other videos, guys. Take it easy.